The Russian military industry Rostec has delivered the second batch of Malva-wheeled self-propelled guns to Russian armed forces. The Malva self-propelled gun has automated fire control system that calculates firing parameters for all types of ammunition, allowing multiple shells to hit a target simultaneously by firing along different trajectories at varying speeds. India and United States are advancing in their military cooperation with recent discussions about the co-production of Javelin anti-tank missiles in India, designed to destroy tanks and other armored targets from a shoulder-fired position. The Javelin is famous for its ability to lock onto its target before launch and its fire-and-forget capability, allowing the operator to take cover immediately after firing. The French Army is boosting reconnaissance capabilities of its artillery units with acquisition of Delaire's DT-46 long-range drones. The DT-46 drone is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, with maximum payload capacity of 25 kilograms and can fly up to 100 kilometers. Russian Pantsir-S1 short-range air defense system has been destroyed, due to Ukrainian strikes using GMLRS rockets in the Donetsk region. The Pantsir-S1, despite its advanced technology, continues to face significant challenges in dynamic and hostile environment of the battlefield.